Oh my goodness, there's a Zoltar machine right here. I'm gonna make a wish. Right in there. Oh my goodness. Zoltar.
Pay attention now.
I
Zoltar
wish
has a word of wisdom
I
for
can
you
go
this
back
day. He who
to
laughs
the
last thinks
80s.
slowest. Stay alert, my friend, and laugh heartily and quickly. For a small fee, Zoltar will tell you more of his secrets, and wisdom is priceless.
It's happening. I'm going to the 80s. I wish I can go back to the 80s. Going back. Going back. I'm going back in time. Wish is granted.
Going back
I'm going to the 80s. Yes.
Going back in
I'm
time.
going to the 80s.
Back in time. Back in time. Back in time.
Back in time.
Back in time. Back in time.
I'm going to the 80s.
Your wish is
Your
granted.
wish.
80s.
80s.
Going back in time. Your wish is granted. Back in time.
Going back to the 80s.
Your wish is granted.
Smooth move, X-Lax.
Cowabunga!
Gnarly.
Totally.
Excellent.
Where's the beef?
Take a chill pill.
Grody to the
Gag
max.
me with a spoon.
Bodacious.
Bitchin'. Eat my shorts.
Psych.
Radical.
Now that I'm in the 80s, what should I do first? I know! I'll make two of my favorite 80s desserts! Combine them together! Dirt pudding and chocolate eclair cake! Awesome!
Grab a bowl. You need to take 2 boxes of Jell-O vanilla pudding mix instant and mix it with 3 cups of milk. As well as some Cool Whip. Mix it on in there. Next, I'm going to mix in a container of whipped cream cheese. Next, you need to crush some Oreos and add that to the mix. Mix it up. Take a glass baking dish and cover the bottom with graham crackers. Now a layer of pudding. More graham crackers. More pudding. Graham cracker. Finish off that pudding. Top it off with the last layer of graham crackers. Next, you carefully spread on a layer of chocolate frosting. Now I crush some dark chocolate Oreos and pour that on top of the whole cake. That's the dirt! Refrigerate for 4 hours. This is wicked! All it needs is one more thing on the top to help it out a bit. Worms, baby! Thank goodness I got my fanny hat. Whoa! This looks good! I'm ready to taste this treasure. Oh my goodness. Out of this world. This takes me back to my childhood. I love it. Wow, this is good. The 80s sure was fun, but I can't stay here forever. I better go back to 2021. But you don't have to. You can stay in the 80s. Just watch the rest of these videos. Down, down, baby, down, down the roller coaster. Sweet, sweet, baby, sweet, sweet, don't let me go. Shimmy, shimmy, Cocoa Pop, shimmy, shimmy, rock. Shimmy, shimmy, Cocoa Pop, shimmy, shimmy, rock. I met a girlfriend, a Triscuit. She said a Triscuit, a biscuit. Ice cream soda, put vanilla on the top. Ooh, Shalila, walking down the street. 10 times a week. I met it. I said it. I stole my mama's credit. I'm cool. I'm hot. Sock me in the stomach 3 more times.